Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how can we make this type of dynamic list in React Native. Like that, how we can make dynamic link this way. We have a scroll view also. But in this application we have a certain problem that it is not optimized by using Flexbox. So in this video we are going to use Flexbox to design it in a more optimum way. Like this add item button we want to display just after this text box, and size of this text box we want to reduce. After that I want to display this information of items. So how we can do this, that we are going to learn. So first of all we have to make a container type of information in this view. First one, style. So first style I create here a container like this way. In this container I enable the flex. I say flex equal to 1 like this way. Now this container I will use at the top of this. Here I say styles dot container like that way. Now I want one more view for button and text input. So I create here view, and under this view I will put this one, and here also I will give the style, and that is styles I give the name input button like this. So for that I create one more object. I say input button, and here I provide some information that I say I want this flex only 0.1% of the screen, means 10% of the screen to this. Then I say the flex direction would be of row type, you see, like this way. I save this and you will see that it will convert into row direction, you see, that way. Now I say one more you see to this controller also, because it's a list scroll view and we have a scroll view under this view. So here I also give some style. I say styles dot, and I say list style. List we have here, so I say scroll view style. Save this. Now I create one more object here. I say scroll view style, and in this scroll view I say the size of this flex is 0.9, you see, and I save this. So you see this screen is coming just after this, and we have to provide the size of this and button also. So for that we have this input. So I say the width of this should be 300. Save this. You see we have the minimum one. Now I say the width of this should be, sorry, height of this should be 40. Save this, and I can reduce more size. I say 280. Save this way. Then we have a button, so I can give button also. I say height of this button should be 42 like this way, and top we have to give to 2, you see. Then I have to remove top. I say margin 2, and I say margin from the left that is from the top, and margin from the left I need to provide 5. Save this, and I can provide more width also. So that I say this container, I say align self is equal to stretch. You see, so we providing complete width to this, and this button we can increase the size of the button also. So I say the width of the button should be, I say 60 pixel. I can increase to 120 pixel. It's more. I can reduce to 100 pixel. We can increase to 105. You see, so right now we have this full flash here like this. We can add this, and you see, so this much of size we have reduced. So first part we have given to this text box and item, and then we have given to this list. You see, 0.9% and 0.1% to the button and text field, and remaining we have given to scroll view. Now we have some margin from the top like 20, so I can remove these margin also from list. I can remove this from this list. Because of that we have certain problem. So we have a list here to the scroll view. So this scroll view setting I can remove from here. No need of this. Save this, and I can remove this from the scroll view. No need of this type of setting. You see, now we have the full flash, the whole screen we have. Then I try to insert this, and we have the problem for entering time, it going upside. So what we can do, we can give some margin. So I give margin to the input button. To scroll view, I say here margin from the top is 20. You see, so here I say Dr. Vipin, I enter this. You see, so we can do like this. You see that by using this Flexbox we can divide this screen in multiple part, like we have a one Flexbox whole activity or screen is there. Then we divide this screen in two parts, 0.1 and 0.9. that means out of 100, 10% I given to this text box and button, and remaining 90% I given to this scroll view. So like that way we can design the screen by using Flexbox. And now we have learned how we can assign a Flexbox to design our activity layout like that way. I think you learned something from this video. If you learned, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.